His move out of UPenn was inevitable, considering his circumstances, considering all the chatter around his lack of playing time, so on and so forth. However, I wasn't expecting him to travel across the Atlantic to go and play in the USL. It seems like a mighty regression if you ask me. I was thinking maybe he'd have stayed in Belgium, probably played in a lower division, probably travel to Germany or to Netherlands and play in the second division.
I think I know what he's thinking. Try to break it down. Tariq Magee, first of all, is a player that I really like. I think has immense potential. Somebody that we saw at age 16 and 17 and we expected a lot. I feel like his potential is kind of untapped right now. We didn't see much after schoolboy football. He tried in the JPL, did well in the JPL, went overseas, and he just never clicked. In fact, I have some stats up on the screen. 7 appearances in 3 years, bro. Playing 100 minutes in 3 years. Something never right.
And I think even if that's where the footballers end up, there is a place in the world of football for everybody. But the USL is not where we should be selected.